Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to access magnifier option in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn our magnifier on, we have to go to the settings menu, then at the bottom of the screen we have accessibility, tap it once, and vision enhancements. Vision enhancements. We need to scroll down a bit, and here we have magnifier. So let's add, it's going to ask us to add a shortcut. It's little button here, and now we can change our phone into a magnifier. We can change the magnifying options here. We can turn the light on, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.